Depression, homelessness. Those are the risks transgender kids are facing, according to medical experts.
Yeah, now Akron Children's Hospital taking action by establishing the Center for Gender Affirming Medicine. News 5's Bob Jones live from Akron Children's right now. And Bob, this center will provide a variety of services for transgender patients.
Frank, we're talking about medical treatment, education, and supportive care. That center is new to this building here at Akron Children's Hospital, and it's the first of its kind in the city of Akron.
When I was younger, transgender wasn't really a thing we talked about.
Julianne Boylan is a transgender woman who's happy to hear about the new Center for Gender Affirming Medicine in the Adolescent Medicine Department at Akron Children's Hospital. Julianne repressed her true identity for years and says something like the center could have made a huge difference.
This is a big difference maker because children now can go in, they have some time to think about where they're at, to examine where they're at.
Akron Children's doctors, along with a nurse, social worker, mental health therapist, and an endocrinologist, are seeing patients as young as 7, as old as 25.
We're a supportive, affirming space, both for the patient and for the family.
The hospital does not do sex reassignment surgeries, but it does offer pubertal suppression treatment.
Pubertal suppression buys time. So what it does, it sort of holds back puberty development.
The center stressed other services offered to the LGBTQ community include education, supportive care for youth and their families, and gender-affirming hormone therapy.
And so that would allow them to have body changes that would be consistent with their identity.
Dr. Stephen Sondike says the center is especially important to transgender youth who face a higher risk of homelessness and other serious issues if they don't find an affirming place.
They have a higher risk of suicide, depression, mental health issues.
Rebecca Callahan, the executive director of Community AIDS Network Akron Pride Initiative, says a center like this in Akron was much needed.
We should be happy for others that are doing something to be happy and be their most authentic self.
Hospital staff say that time and travel was an issue for transgender children and their families in the Akron area before the center opened. That's because similar centers are further away in Cleveland, Columbus, and Cincinnati. Live in Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.